Hi, my name is Pat Veras, and I'm the CEO of Sage Potters Corp. I'm here standing at the Sage Plains project, and I'm pleased to announce that we are now drilling, as you can see in the background. What we're aiming to do with this drill hole is to test the Cycle 18, which we had tested before in a well about 3/4 of a mile or 1.2 kilometers south of us, where we recovered some significant grades of potash, perhaps some of the best grades I've ever seen, with some significant thicknesses and good temperatures. So with the results from this drill hole, we're hoping to expand the resource significantly and have some measured and indicated resources. With that information, we want to commence a feasibility study that contemplates a much, much larger operation. We're very excited about this program, and we're hoping to keep the shareholders abreast of the situation and developments very soon.